completed. Now ready to set questions. Click on insert. There are 6 types of graded questions. Multiple choice, choose one. Multiple choice, choose many. True or false, matching. Fill in the blanks and essay. Similarly, ungraded questions, there are 6 types. Multiple choice, choose one option. Multiple choice, choose many options. True or false, matching, short answer and long answer. And another type of question, text block, question pool, questions from another test, and question from file. Text block, question pools, and all these options are available for only paid users or premier users. Now we go to one by one. For example, we click on multiple choice, choose one. Suppose here we type atomic number means write first option number of protons, second option is number of electrons, third option is number of neutrons, last atom is number of atoms. The correct option is 1 first, that is number of proton. There is only one option is correct. Click on the correct answer, that is number of protons. Now add next question by clicking here insert. Multiple choice, choose many. Multiple choice, choose many means questions having multiple answers. Now consider atomic mass number consists first option is number of protons, second option number of electrons, number of neutrons, number of neutrons, and number of atoms. Number of atoms. There is correct option is number of proton and number of neutrons. Atomic mass number consists of number of protons and number of neutron. There are 2 options are correct. That means option first and option third is correct. Here one interesting feature we can see here, give partial credit. Suppose this question having 2 correct options and student answered only one, then he got 1 marks or 1 number. That is number of protons and number of neutrons are known as the atomic mass number. Correct answer is option first and option third. Now go to next type of question is true or false. We type here number of protons and neutrons are known as atomic mass number. Atomic mass number. The correct answer is true. Now we select the true. Now we go to matching. In this question, first column consists name of the elements and second column contains its atomic number. Now first we suppose helium type here. Helium, first column consists the name of the elements and second atomic number. Hydrogen, second hydrogen, third gold, and last one we considered here oxygen. Now second column contains its atomic number 79. First we consider 79, second 30, suppose we consider 30, third 2, fourth 1. Click one. Another option 8. Now helium, atomic number of helium is 2. 2 is in second column of third number. We select here third is the correct option of the helium. Hydrogen, atomic number is 1, which is placed in second column, fourth number of the second column. We select fourth number. Gold is 79, which is in first number. And oxygen, atomic number of oxygen is 8, which is placed at the fifth of the second column. Now we select 5. This is the correct options we have to type here. Now next question. Before that, first we have to also interesting option or interesting feature we have to observe here. We have to see here this give partial credit. When you select this give partial credit, suppose one of the students solve only 2 correct answers, then this got 2 marks. Whenever we have to select here 4 points for this question, then the partial credit, the number of correct answers they got related to their points or marks. Now next, fill in the blanks. Ask a question here. Atomic number of lithium is atomic number of lithium is atomic number of lithium is 3. Now type here in text HREE, or alternative answers we have to type by clicking here in digit 3. Then next, there are similar ungraded questions. For free users, only 50 questions we can type. Usually 50 number is good for conducting unit test or examination. Now we go to publish. Before final publish, first we go to Preview your test for any correction. Click on preview. Click on preview. As like this. As a student, I am going to solve these questions. Questions are get shuffled. We have to solve this first. Number of protons and neutrons are known as atomic mass number. True. Atomic number means number of protons. Atomic number of lithium is 3. I type here in digit 3. Helium, this also shuffled. This column also shuffled. Atomic number of helium is 2. That answer is 2. Hydrogen is 1, is on 3. Gold is 79, 1. Oxygen 8, that is 4. As a student, I solve this question paper. Atomic mass number consists of protons and neutrons. Now submit. All these answers are correct. See here, your score is 100%. I'm taking duration 1 minute 12 seconds, and I got this message. Congratulations, best wishes. Go preview, log out. As administrator, I log in again. First of all, we see the dashboard. Now we go to the results. You must publish. Before publishing of this TESMOS examination, we export or print this question paper, view or print in your browser. With there also one option is there, show answer or without show answer. First of all, we download this question paper without answers. If you want to with answer, then you can also select this option. This is the question paper we said. There also this question paper also shuffled. Next time also shuffled. Whenever you have to open this question paper, then questions are get shuffled. Every time question get shuffled. So first question. This is the preview of question. Now all these things are okay. Now we want to publish this question. Now publish. Now click on publish. Okay. Now we are ready. Click on publish. Test has been published. Now test has been published. Now open this test and solve. This is the URL of this test with passcode 12345. Without passcode, students cannot attend this test. You keep this URL. This is very, very important. Through this URL, you can access whenever you want to see results. We save this URL. I will send it to myself through mail. Suppose you can click on this URL. Then this window appears. Student login and administration login. Administration login as a teacher. As a student, ask his name and passcode as a student. When you as a student, then you type here your name. Suppose I will enter as a student, Amol. Passcode is 12345. Now start. Yes. See here, every time questions are shuffled. Now I will answer of this question. Helium is 2, hydrogen, sorry, helium is 1. Gold 79 is on 3, oxygen 8 is on 4. Okay. Now true. Mass number consists of number of protons and number of neutrons. Atomic number means number of protons, and this is, I will type here in digit 3. Now submit. See how, which are correct or wrong answers. As a teacher, we will see how many students attend our test. Okay, now I will go to the, okay, log out. Now log out. All these answers are correct. Now log out. As a teacher or administrator, only type passcode or password 12345. Now log in. Result. Now see in results. As a teacher, we will see how many students attend our test. The given URL of this test is same for teachers and students. Now we can see here results. If you click on result, how many students take this test? We can see for free version 100 students score. We can see only first 100 responses in free version software of test mode. I have already taken a test for undergraduate students. We will see the unit test first. I have already taken a test, and URL actually saved in my email. This is URL of first unit test. Sorry, password. Now log in. Yes. See here in results, there are 19 responses got. This test having 10 questions. How many questions? One student, suppose we click any one students, the detailed answer book of these students we see here. Incorrect answer, partially correct, 0.7 out of 1, 0.75 out of 1, 0.75 marks this question got. This is the correct answer, correct, incorrect, and another is also correct. Go to back. This is the scores. Average score is 56%. Average time 1 hour 47 minutes. Students got responses, and total we got 19 responses in this particular unit test. I have taken this unit test for undergraduate students during this